Carrot Halwa, also known as Gajar ka Halwa, is a delicious Indian dessert that's perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into this simple recipe. Start by gathering fresh, juicy carrots. Grate about 1 kilogram of carrots. The fresher, the better. Next, heat a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat and add 4 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, toss in the grated carrots. Sauté them for about 10 minutes until they soften and release their sweet aroma. Now, it's time to add the magic ingredient, milk. Pour in about 1 liter of full-fat milk. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. This process will take around 30 to 40 minutes, allowing the milk to thicken and the carrots to absorb all that creamy goodness. Once the milk has reduced, it's time to sweeten the deal. Add 150 to 200 grams of sugar, depending on how sweet you like it. Stir well and let it cook for another 10 minutes. The sugar will melt, creating a luscious, sweet mixture. For that extra flavor, toss in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a handful of chopped nuts like almonds and cashews. Stir everything together and let it cook for a few more minutes until it reaches a thick, halwa-like consistency. Finally, garnish with some more nuts and a sprinkle of koya for richness. Serve warm or chilled, and watch everyone enjoy this delightful treat. Carrot halwa is not just a dessert. It's a celebration of flavors and textures that will leave taste buds dancing. So, grab those carrots and get cooking. This sweet dish is sure to impress family and friends alike. Enjoy!